Final exhibition run through the whole camp, yes?
Yes, sir.
Laying him down and coming up without him. Set. Jog in place. Everyone around to the right. Everyone around to the left. Platoon. Halt. Keep the arms nice and loose. Yeah. Big deep breaths in and out. Turn into some trunk twists. Keep the breaths going. Interlock the fingers. Press down, round out through the spine. Come all the way up. Pull down, pull back. One more time. Interlock, press down. Really round through. Come on up. Pull down. Check it out from the fingertips. Round up to the shoulders. Shrug them forward. Shrug them back. All right, here we go. Set. Picking them up. About face. 30 seconds on your own. Go. Your time. Get warm. Get warm. Whatever you need. Show off a little bit or don't. Move the rifle, move your body or don't. Get in the zone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set. Coming up. Port. Arms. Lightning. Lightning. Listen to each other. 1, 2. Ready. Go. Listen. Listen. About face, 30 seconds, go. Whatever you need, whatever you need. Make sure we're breathing, make sure we're breathing. Don't forget to breathe. Whatever's gonna help you perform your best. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set. Coming up. Port. Arms. Punch out. Punch out. Energy, intensity is the last thing we do together. Then we're going to go for our full run through. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go! Tighten up.
Aye, sir.
Do they know all their rifle numbers already before they've traded rifles?
All right, here's the deal. Final run through of camp. We've been training all week. We're tired. We've been grinding out here in the afternoon. I appreciate that. What I need from all of us is to go at like 110%. 110%. I want you to feel what it feels like to go past your maximum level of exertion, obviously without injuring yourself.
Yes, sir.
If we know what that feels like, we know what our top is, we can always dial it back from there, and we can come into Daytona performing at a cool 85%, and that'll be good to go. So I want us to reach up, and I want us to touch that 100% or 110% effort mark the entire card.
Aye, sir.
Let's have a good show. Get lined up.
Aye, sir.